Precipitation. What is precipitation? Plants, animals, and people all need water to live. The water cycle moves water to the earth from the sky. Precipitation is part of this cycle. Precipitation is water that falls from clouds. It can fall as a liquid or a solid. Types of precipitation. Rain is a liquid form. It can come as a sprinkle or a downpour. Drizzle is a misty liquid. It is finer than rain. Precipitation becomes snow when weather is colder. The solid flakes can be wet and sticky, or light and powdery. Sometimes precipitation is a mix of rain and snow. It can also fall as small bits of ice called sleet. Freezing rain happens when water droplets become ice when they land. Hail happens during severe weather. It falls as hard balls of ice. Hail can be small like peas or large like softballs. It can dent cars and houses. Measuring precipitation. Meteorologists use radar to locate precipitation. Radar shows where rain and snow will be. It tells how much might fall. A rain gauge collects water falling from the sky. The measurement shows how much water has fallen. Farmers need just the right amount of precipitation. Too much causes flooding. Too little means a drought. Crops cannot grow without water.